Hello parents, hope you are fine. This is the tutorial to show you how to use Microsoft Teams. You will receive the student's email address and password from school. In first step you have to download MS Teams for your devices, that is Windows, Android or Apple. For Windows, go to your browser, type download MS Teams in browser. Click first link and click download for desktop button. For Android and Apple devices, you can visit Play Store or Apple Store to download MS Teams. Links are also available in the description. If you have already installed MS Teams in your devices, then jump into step 2. Open the application and log in with given email address and password. On first login, it will ask you to add phone number for recovery purpose. After providing phone number, it will send you verification code, and after adding that code, click next, or if you want to add it later, click skip step. That's it, MS Teams will open in front of you. On Windows, Team icon show on left side navigation bar. And for Android and Apple devices, icons will show below in menu bar. Click on Team icon, classes will start showing, your child is already added in his/her class. That's it, you have accessed your child's class. If you have further any question, feel free to ask from your child's teacher. Thank you.